open day. So what I feel is that the decoration is good, and then this building is very, historical, and I love it. This is the first time I see this part of the building, and the food is good, and the people are friendly and nice. So I'm really enjoying myself right here. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. Please come.
I'm really into networking, and yeah, I have been able to do that for a bit, and looking forward to the remaining portion of the open day.
Overall, the open day and together with the open house, both were good. On the first day, it was pretty amazing with support from the students, prospect students, family that came to support, looking ordered some inquiries, and we have some other foreigner students too, and visiting by some of the embassies like the Palestinian embassies, and all went well for the first day, and I believe that we're doing well for the second day as well. Thanks.
Hi everyone, I'm Azra. I would like to congratulate the committee members who has done a good job in making this open day a great success, especially the students who has helped out decorating, in terms of technical, in terms of organizing the whole open day, how much the people are interested in applying, especially for the course, the clinical psychology and the clinical neuroscience courses, that they are willing to be in the waiting list to be in the course next year.
USM Postgraduate Open Day 2019. For me, to my criteria, it is a successful program. We have set up some objective for this, and I think we have managed to achieve the objective in terms of the number of attendants that we have for this event. Is very encouraging, and one of the best things that I found from this particular program is that this year, of course this is the second year that we have this event. The first one that we had was last year, and of course at a small scale, so this is slightly bigger. The first thing that I thought that is most encouraging for this year is that in terms of the publicity given to this particular program, we received a lot of support from the media itself. All the news crawler, was actually provided by TV3, was actually provided by TV9, TV1 and TV2, and also TV Antasia, and we also managed to get some free promotions from the radio Sinara FM, ERA, and also IKIM FM, and on top of that, we managed to get some coverage in the newspaper Utusan, Bernama, and etc. So in terms of publicity itself, I found this year it is better compared to last year. We hope to come back next year much bigger, with more publicity given to this event. Of course, we can't expect much because this is particularly related to postgraduate study. So, of course, if we were to include undergraduate, I would believe that we will be receiving a lot more attendance from the public, but this is particularly concentrating itself to the postgraduate study, master and PhD, and yeah, I would think that it is a successful event.